Namaste, Coach Robitia. Today's topic is vocational rehabilitation. Vocational rehabilitation primary purpose help PWD prepare for employment, obtain gainful employment. Wide range of disability are created by rehab counselor, SCI, spinal cord injury, stroke, arthritis, muscles, MS, myasthenia gravis, TBI, amputation, chronic pain, developmental and learning disability, psychiatric disorder. Government has set up 20 vocational rehabilitation centers. The main objective of VRC, vocational evaluation and adjustment of PWD, assessment of the medical, physiological rehabilitation need, assist in developing rehabilitation plan, sponsor physically handicapped, registered against notifies identify vacancies, distribution center for the various scheme, scholarship, aids and appliance, make referral to financial institution for finding self-employment venture. VR process this process generally involve evaluation, job seeking skill training, readiness and placement strategy, job analysis, job placement and accommodation, job follow up. Vocational evaluation and vocational assessment often used interchangeably. Vocational assessment is a general term that includes many different forms of evaluation. Vocational evaluation is defined as a comprehensive assessment that utilizes a variety of tools including paper and pencil test, structured interview and real of stimulated work. With its focus on work-related abilities, a vocational evaluation may use work sample, situational assessment, and on-the-job evaluation. Employment readiness, medical stability, important concern, stamina and endurance, psychosocial factors such as individual support system, availability of adequate attendance care, job placement strategy. Once the individual is ready to seek employment, must develop or refine the employment skill. Individual with virtually no work history will require far more extensive job seeking skill training. Following up on job leads, resume writing, completion and interview walking skill. Primary role of the vocational rehabilitation counselor assist in the developing these skills using tools, a coaching, role playing, or videotaping. In addition, he or she must also know how to respond to question about disability on application or an interview. Knowledge of legal protection is critical. Job analysis. Job analysis critical to the ultimate success of the job placement of effort. By analyzing a particular job in certain environment, suitable accommodation recommendation can be made. Thank you.